Okay, right now we're going to learn about applying the background color. So what is the background color? Let me explain it with details. So you can see here in our browser, we just changed the text color. But you can see here that we still have the white color in our background. Suppose you were doing a website development for a client, and the client asked you for changing the background color like a blue color or yellow color or green color. So how we will do that? This is what we are going to learn right now. Okay, let's get back to our Visual Studio Code. Okay, so you can see here in our line number 26 what we applied the style for this text, and you can see here we applied the red color. And one more thing I want to show you, that instead of red color, if you want to use the green color, you just need to type the green here. Let me show you. Green, and you can see here we got the green style in here. Let me save it, and here is the output. And instead of the general color, if you need any custom color, you can pick it up very easily. You just have to place your mouse to this color, then a pop-up will appear, and from there you can pick any color. Like as an example, let me pick this blue color from here, and I'm picking this blue color. And you can see here the value of this color or exact color code is appeared in here. Let me save it, and let's take a look inside our browser. So this is a very simple process for changing the specific color with the default color or with the general color or custom color. So the same things we are going to apply for our background. Therefore, we need to know where you will declare these attributes. So for the text, we declare the attributes with the heading, but for the background you have to declare these attributes to the body. You can see here the background contains inside the body, and this is our opening body tag and this is our closing body tag. So we have to apply the same style or same process for applying the background color inside our opening body tag. So let's start the process. You must have to take a space before the greater than sign, and therefore I'm pressing space button from my keyboard. Then you have to type style. So I'm pressing tab button from my keyboard. Then the quotation mark will be available in here, and now I have to type background. And you can see here when I just type BA, the suggestion is appearing here, the background color. So therefore I'm pressing tab button. And in between the colon and semicolon mark, you have to declare the color. So as an example, let me type powder blue. Okay, so this is just a color code I just applied. So here is the powder blue color, and let me save it. And now you can have the outlook in our live server. So you can see now, that the color of the background is changed. So this is very simple process for changing the background color in HTML. So let me revise once again what you have to do. You have to apply the style as attributes to your opening body tag. So what you have to type, you have to press the space, then you have to declare the style attributes, then you have to put the equal sign, then you have to use the quotation mark, and inside the quotation mark at first you have to declare the background color, then you have to put the colon, and after colon you have to declare the color name, and you have to close it with the semicolon, and then the closing quotation mark, and finally what do you have to place? You have to place the greater than sign. Okay, so this is the basic codes for changing the background color using style attributes in HTML. This is also a part of a CSS or cascading style sheet, and we're going to learn about the changing of styles in our CSS section. But I am teaching you these things because this will make you easier for learning CSS. That's why I applied the style process right now for changing the background color.